Let's be real, if you're spending $2,000 on a bag from a luxury retailer's website, the last thing on your mind should be, wait, is this even real? But right now, that's exactly what's happening. We're not talking about some sketchy third-party marketplace. We're talking about Ssense, a site people trusted like a department store, a place where you used to feel 100% confident you're getting the real thing. And that trust, it's breaking fast. Because here's what no one's saying out loud. When luxury sites don't properly check their returns, they open the door for fakes to slip right back into their stock. And when those fakes get resold as authentic, it's not just a bag problem, it's a consumer trust crisis. Less trust means fewer sales. Fewer sales mean angry shareholders. And once luxury loses trust, it's game over. This isn't about affordability, it's about integrity. When you buy from a reseller, you already know to check. But when you shop from a trusted official store, you assume those checks have been done for you. No one drops thousands just to become their own authentication expert. That's why this matters. And let's be honest, half the time you can spot a fake if you're looking. But the problem is, when it comes from somewhere like Ssense, you're not supposed to have to. That's what makes people hesitant to shop resale. Hesitant to shop online, hesitant to buy at all, because no one wants to spend luxury money for dupe stress. And this isn't some isolated slip-up. A TikTok influencer recently posted about getting a fake The Row 90s bag from Ssense, and the comments weren't shocked. They were confirming it. Lower, Bottega, Prada, it's happening across brands. So while luxury brands obsess over chasing IT bags and raising prices, they might want to get their retail partners in check first. Because all the runway shows and celeb campaigns in the world won't mean anything if the trust is gone. The deeper problem here isn't just the occasional fake bag getting through, it's what it represents. Because if a major, respected, luxury platform like Ssense, one that operates more like a department store than a peer-to-peer reseller, can let counterfeit bags slip into its inventory, it raises a bigger question. Who can you actually trust anymore in luxury retail? We've already watched the second-hand market turn into a free-for-all. Sites like Vestiaire Collective and The Real have faced backlash over authentication slip-ups. But customers gave them some grace because, well, it's resale. There's risk involved. But first-hand luxury retail, that was supposed to be sacred. And when that line blurs, it doesn't just hurt sales, it changes how people shop. More people are opting out of luxury altogether, fed up with inflated prices, quality control issues, and now the fear of buying a fake from a place they trusted. It pushes people either back to the boutiques directly or out of the luxury game entirely. And here's what no one talks about. Luxury survives on trust. It's not just about leather quality, logos, or runway hype. It's about the silent contract between the brand and the buyer. You pay a premium, and in exchange, you get authenticity, craftsmanship, and prestige. Break that contract, even once, and it's hard to rebuild. And for luxury brands, what's watching from the sidelines thinking, well, that's a retailer problem, not ours. Here's the hard truth. It becomes your problem when your name's on the bag. Consumers don't differentiate between where they bought it and who made it. When a fake Loewe puzzle bag gets sold on Ssense, it's Loewe's reputation that takes the hit. And if enough of these stories pile up, the resale market weakens, customer confidence crumbles, and even the boutique sales start to feel it. Because no one wants to drop $3,000 on a bag if they're constantly second-guessing whether it's legit. This is bigger than fakes. It's about the future of luxury retail. And if you think this is a one-time headline, think again. The counterfeit economy is booming. Returns fraud is a $100 billion a year problem. And as long as luxury prices keep rising while due diligence gets sloppy, it's only going to get worse. Trust me, this is just the beginning. For more unfiltered, unpolished conversations the fashion world won't have with you, follow us on Instagram at GTWJMag. GTWJ, where fashion thinks deeper.